What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Crypto warriors. It's Sergeant Crypto and I'm back at it again. And yes, Bitconnect is dead. Yes, there's a sea of red. Yes, everyone is selling. And no, don't panic. It's not the end of the world, people. It's just more FUD and a series of, I want to say, bad situations that has led to what I am dubbing Bloody Tuesday. In all this sea of red and death, we have some great news. And that great news is coming from Ripple, aka the bank coin. To all you haters out there, I just doubled down on some Ripple today, just so you know. But here it is. Sharing economy startup Omni accepted a majority of a $25 million investment in XRP. So here is another use case for XRP in funding startups. So to all the haters out there, and there's a ton of them, that say that Ripple is just a bank coin, or it's just a coin that old financial institutions will try to use to get into the crypto game, and all these other great taglines or whatever that the haters come up with. Here's another use case for you. Ripple is being used to fund startups. And the reason why they, is because the CEO, Tom McLeod, was hoping on the rise of the coin price to avoid Series C and D investment rounds. So basically, he used the Ripple to fund the Series A and B rounds for a startup. This way, he doesn't have to sell any more shares of his company. Again, it's a startup. All right, you want to keep everything and close to you as possible, and just not giving up too much shares of your company when you're starting out. All right, you don't want too many hands in the pot, so to speak. So he was hoping on the rise of the Ripple XRP coin. Bet you he was looking super smart a couple of weeks ago when Ripple hit $3.50. And this is another use case. And not only that, the coin was also being used to pay employees and freelancers bonuses. So they had the opportunity to choose whether they wanted a cash bonus or get their bonus in the form of Ripple XRP. These employees, if that was me, if I was working there, right, at Omni, at this sharing economy startup, I would accept all my bonuses in Ripple XRP, because as we know, the price of the coin will appreciate, the value of the coin will appreciate over time. You're getting paid now, during this bloodbath, you get a $5,000 bonus or some shit. You're getting 5,000 XRP coins. A couple of months from now, when it goes back up again and 3X's, then that's $15,000 you get. You end up really getting $15,000. Just wanted to share the story with you guys. I know I have the ominous music playing in the background, and that's because it's Bloody Tuesday, baby. Everybody's gonna die. Let's take a look at the markets, man. Let's see what's going down. Everything is going down. That's what's going down. Shit, here we go. All right, so we're back over 500 million again. Just a while ago, we were like $450 billion. I said 500 million, my bad. We're up over 500 billion again. We were just at $450 billion literally just minutes ago. 57 billion in volume. And let's take a look at the 1 day. Jeez, it's fucking nuts. There it is right there. Like I said, 450 billion. Well, I guess we found a support level, right? Because this support here, let's look at the 3 month real quick. So we had the 450 billion. Really can't get it too right. So we'll say that, but look right here. Yeah, so it was about 450 billion back in December when everybody was selling off and shit. But hey, like I said in the story earlier, there's several things that that caused, that led up to this big sell-off. You know, 3 weeks from now, it's going to be the Lunar New Year. And, you know, people in Asia, they're preparing for that by selling off their cryptocurrency now. So this way they could pay for plane tickets, train tickets, bus tickets, you know, gifts, family coming over and all that stuff, hotel rooms, all that great stuff. It's just like when we had the big sell-off before Christmas. Look, boom, everybody was selling off before Christmas. This way they could have, you know, their funds and stuff over the holiday season from Christmas to New Year's. Look, we had a big run up again right before Christmas, then boom, big sell off, and we slowly got back up slowly but surely, and took off. And we hit that $800 billion mark, then boom, coin market cap pulled the rug from underneath us, and then we kind of leveled out and stayed around the 700 billion. We dropped down. We got some more FUD from South Korea saying that they're going to ban crypto exchanges. And then, again, made our way back up again. And boom, boom. All right. And that's because of the New Year's coming. So if you guys look back the past 4 years, and I did this, like I said in my video earlier, the past 4 years, when the Lunar New Year was coming up 3 weeks before, like clockwork, people in Asia started selling off their cryptocurrencies. This was to be expected. However, what also happened was there's a lot of newbies in crypto. And I'm one of them too, because I've only been in crypto for 2.5 months. But I do my research, okay? That's why I'm waiting for my funds to clear so I could get some more on this dip now. Like I said, because I did my research, there's a lot of newbies in the market. They're getting scared. They're selling this shit off, showing their weak ass hands like a bunch of Mitches. Don't be a Mitch. If you have your hands up some funds, buy. That's it. It's your boy, Sergeant Crypto. This is not financial advice, by the way. I'm out.